Hello, dear students. I, Ashok Verma, your English teacher, welcome you all in my class. I'm here again with a new chapter. Dear students, today we are going to start the chapter number 2 of our supplementary reader book, A Pact with the Sun. And today we are going to see the chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. Before we proceed, let us have some background of the story. The chapter or the story, The Friendly Mongoose, has been taken from a book called Panchatantra. This story has been taken from Panchatantra. Panchatantra is a story book written by Vishnu Sharma, and in the stories that are there in the Panchatantra, there is a morale, there is a message. Some messages are also there in the story that we will take today. So let us see and read the story. Let us enjoy the story and see what is the morale of the story. Okay, class, let us start. This is a story about a villager. In a village, there lived a farmer with his wife. They had a son. Both the husband and the wife loved their son very much. One day, the husband said to his wife, I think we need a pet. Pet, you understand? Pet means some animals that we keep at our houses, like dog, cats. These are the pet animals. So the husband said that I think we need a pet animal because when our son will grow up, he will need some companion. Companion means friend. He will need some friends to play with him, and this pet will be his friend. So one evening, the husband, the farmer, brought a small mongoose at the house. When the mongoose was brought at the house, the wife became very happy, and she also said that it is a baby mongoose. Can it play with our son? The farmer said, very soon the mongoose will grow up and he will be our son's friend. The day kept on passing. The mongoose and the farmer's son both started growing up. But as you know, the animals grow faster than the human baby. Humans or the babies of the human grow faster than the animal, the babies of the human being. ग्रो समझते हो ग्रो मतलब बड़ा होना. In the 5 or 6 months, the mongoose was fully developed with bushy tail and black shiny eyes. He was looking very beautiful. And on the other hand, the baby of the farmer, the son of the farmer, was still very small. He was doing only two things. He was lying, sleeping in his cradle, and he was weeping, sleeping, weeping, sleeping, weeping. This was the thing that he was doing all the day. But mongoose has become very big and very lovely and beautiful. Okay, dear children. So what happened? One day, the farmer's wife was going to buy to the market to buy some grocery items. She took a basket and she said to her husband, oh my dear husband, listen, I'm going to market and I suggest you do not leave the baby alone with the mongoose because I hope or I have some fear that mongoose may attack over the baby. So please don't leave the baby alone with the mongoose. Husband said, oh my dear wife, listen, I think you should not be afraid of the mongoose. This mongoose is a very good mongoose. It is very friendly. It is as sweet as our son is. ये हमारे बच्चे जैसा ही अच्छा है. You should not be afraid of this mongoose. Okay? Then the wife went to the market. Now the farmer was alone at the house. As you know, हम जब घर पे अकेले रहते हैं क्या होता है, हमारा मन एक जगह नहीं लगता ना. We are not able to concentrate at one place. Our mind keep on moving here and there. Same happened with the farmer. The farmer thought that let me have a look over my fields and let me see some of my friends. The farmer went to his fields to see his crops, and when he was returning from there, he went to meet some of his friends. And what happened when he went to meet his friends? He became late in returning the house, and in that period, his wife has returned from the market. She returned from the market with a basket full of the grocery items. When she reached house, she found the mongoose was sitting outside of the house as if the mongoose was waiting for her. And as it happens, whenever you have a pet animal and when the animal loves you, whenever you comes to your house from anywhere, what happens? That pet animal comes to you in a running manner. Na? Same happened with the mongoose. When mongoose saw that farmer's wife was coming, he ran toward herself as if he wanted to welcome her. And when he reached near the wife of the farmer's wife saw his mouth and his paws, and she noticed that there was blood over his mouth and over his paws. And when she saw blood on his mouth and on his paws, she started shouting, "Blood!" She thought that something wrong has gone in my house. She thought that this mongoose has done something wrong. She started shouting, "You wicked animal!" Wicked means दुष्ट, मीन्स स्कॉन्ड्रल. उसने कहा, तुम बदमाश एनिमल, I think you have killed my baby. The lady thought, the farmer's wife thought that the mongoose has killed his babies, and his babies' blood were there on his mouth and on his paws. She was blind with the anger. She became blind with the anger, and in her anger, she hit the mongoose very hard with the basket that was there in her hand. And after throwing the basket over the mongoose, she ran into the house to see her baby. And when she reached into the house, she was surprised. She found that her baby was sleeping very soundly in his cradle, and a black, dangerous snake was lying dead over the floor. His body was cut into the pieces. Who has cut him into the pieces? It was the mongoose who has killed the snake. When she saw that the snake was lying dead over there, she realized her mistake. She ran out of the house to see the mongoose, but it was too late. When she reached over there, she found that the mongoose was dead. Now she started crying, and she became very sad. She was saying that, "Oh, what have I done? I have killed the mongoose who saved the life of my son." And she became very sad after that. And after that, she heard that her baby was crying. She went into the house. Now she was repenting. Repent समझते हो? पछताना. Now she was repenting what she has done. Okay, so this was the story. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, look before you leap. Look before you leap. It means jump करने से पहले एक बार देख लो. In other words, the moral of the story is, we must think twice or thrice before doing anything. Otherwise, we have to repent like the lady was repenting over her decision. Okay, students, this is the story. Now enjoy the story.